employee or student. I want to read them. I want to read these element, these values. S number, char x, S name of 20, and float average. These three values I want to read. S number and S name and average. Okay. Program execution starts from main. Program execution starts from main. I want to read and I want to print them. Okay. How to read and how to print. See, now I want to declare one structure variable struct to student. I have taken S1. Struct to student S1. Memory will be allocated for three variables S1 and S2 and S1. Three data members. Okay. Yesterday I told you how it will be allocated memory, right? See, now I want to enter S1, S number value and S name value and average. I want to read through keyboard. How to read through keyboard? First enter the S number. How to enter the S number? Printf of enter S number. See this. Enter S number. Okay, how to enter S number? You know this. Scanf of percentile D. Percentile D. What you have to write? Address of S1 dot. You know this. S1 dot S number. Okay, enter S name also. How to enter S name? Printf of enter S name. How to enter S name? Enter S name. How to enter S name? We know this. Gets off with the spaces. If you want with the spaces, use a gets off. Okay, S1 dot S name. S1 dot S name. Same way, average also. Read average also. How to read average? I want to read S number and S name and average. Enter average. Okay, how to read a average? Right? Scanf you have to use. Again, scanf of percentile F. You have to use percentile as F and address of S1 dot average. S1 dot average. Right? We are reading S number and S name and average and print them. Okay, how to print them? We know this. How to printing. Printf of S number is print S number percentile D S1 dot S number S1 dot S number. Same way S name also. Print S name. How to print S name? Printf of S name is percentile S S1 dot S name, and also average is what? What is average? How to print average? We have to print average. Average is percentile F S1 dot average. Okay, see guys, what will happen if I execute this program? I want to execute it. I want to execute it. Okay, I want to read the values from keyboard. I want to read the values from keyboard. And what are the values? S number and S name and average, and printing them. Okay, once execute, guys, all of you see here inputs. Enter S number 101. Okay, 101. See this. What happened, guys? What happened? It is not asking for S name. Why it's not asking for S name? Yeah, Prithvi. Yeah, Lohit. Manoj Kumar. Why it's not reading S name? Yeah, Sai Nikita. Sai Nikita. Why it's not reading S name? Varalakshmi. See, directly without asking S name, it is asking for 56.7. See, S number is something and S name is nothing is there. Why it is not reading S name? Yeah, Ruhina, you can speak.
Sir, in S name we use get function method. So in that we didn't use ampersand.
In gets argument. Yeah, what is wrong, Ruhina? Tell me.
I think, sir, in get function in argument
Yeah,
parameter. we use s1 dot sname.
S1 dot sname, same thing I used, right?
But in scanner we use, okay, I thought some pointer or something.
Okay. Yeah, Vandana. Why it's not reading? Varlakshmi.
Sir, I don't have any ideas.
Yeah, see guys, why it's not reading S name? Actually, see, we are reading 101, right? We are reading 101. After that, we are entering some character, right? We are entering some character. See, what is happening? You are entering enter character. After entering 101, you are pressing enter keyword. Okay, this 101 stored in S number. What is this S? This character is there, right? What is this S? Enter character. This will store in S1 dot S name. This will store in S1 dot S name. Why? Because buffer memory, two values you are reading here. Actually, we are reading only one, but compiler takes two values. One is 101, other one is what? Enter keyword. 101 stored in S1 dot S number. 101 stored in S1 dot S number, but S name, this whatever you are reading S enter character, that will store in S name. That's why it is not reading S name. Okay, are you following? You understood, right? Why it is not reading S name? Why it is not reading S name? Enter character it is taking as S name. Enter character it is taking as S name. What to do now, Ruhina? What we can do?
Fine.
Can we delete this memory? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
How to
By
delete?
using flash.
Yeah.
Flush.
See, now if I press enter, it is storing in S name directly. That's why it is not asking 6 point something. Okay, where you have to write flush? Tell me.
Before second printer.
Very good. Before this, after scanf, this first scanf, right? Here you have to delete flush stdin, flush stdin. Or also we can use flush all also. Okay, one error for stdin we need to use this function. Can I use flush all directly? We check it. Flush all, is it valid or not? Enter S number 101. See this? Is it asking now? Yes, right? Enter the name, any name, right? We can enter. Suntech with spaces you can enter. Suntech education. Okay? And average 67.8. See this. 101. With spaces you want, take this. Without spaces means directly you can write scanner. Clear? You understood, right? What is flush? Okay? Write this, guys. This program. Flush